On 7th of September, Bokajjan Citizens Development Coordination Forum, comprising of 9 social and students organization of Karbi Anglong, jointly submitted a memorandum for stoppage of 7 passengers train at Bokajjan Railway Station to the General Manager of Northeastern Railway. With the rapid increase of population throughout the globe, transportation system had become a basic needs for every individual. And among all the transportation system, railways top the chart as it is the easiest and cheapest mode for transportation. Likewise, for the welfare of the citizens of Bokajjan, for easy commute and transportation, Bokajjan Citizens Development Coordination Forum submitted a memorandum to General Manager for the stoppage of 7 passengers train at Bokajjan Railway Station. As many as 9 social and students organization of Karbi Anglong, namely Karbi Students Association, Assam Jatyabadi Yuva Chhatra Parishad, All Adivasi Students Association of Assam, Akhil Assam Bhojpuri Parishad of Assam, All Assam Bengali Youth Federation of Assam, All Assam Gorkha Students Union, All Assam Manipuri Students Union, All Bengali Youth Students Union Bokajjan, and Karbi Anglong Bengali Samaj were present at the time of submission. Bokajjan Citizens Development Coordination Forum informed that they had demanded the stoppage of the following trains at Bokajjan Railway Station: Awadh Assam Express, Nagaland Express, Kamrup Express, BG Express, Chandigarh Express, NTSK SB Brahmaputra Express, and Rajdhani Express. BCD-CF also appeals Horen Singbe, MP, to look into this matter as he is the representative of our constituency.
কারণ আমার ইয়াতে জি আগৰ ট্ৰেইন বিলাক আছিল এই কৰোনাৰ সময়তে এই 5টা মান ট্ৰেইন উঠাই লৈছে মানে ষ্টপেজ নাই বিভিন্ন জায়গাত দিছিলে কৈছে ৰেলে ডিপাৰ্টমেণ্টে কিন্তু আমাৰ ইয়াতে ষ্টপেজ নাই
এইবিলাক বৰ্তমান লকডাউনৰ পিছত কিছুমান গাড়ী বন্ধ হৈ গৈছে বা কিছুমান গাড়ী বেলেগৰ পৰা কামাখ্যাৰ পৰা ব্ৰহ্মপুত্ৰ যেনেকৈ কনভাৰ্ট কৰিছে সেইবিলাক সম্পৰ্কত যিবিলাক উৰণীবতী এখনো ইয়াত গাড়ী ষ্টপেজ নাই গতিকে সেইবিলাক সমস্যা নিশ্চয় সমাধান হ'ব।
Ananterang's report from Bokajjan for Karbi Anglong Live.